This function is BIN2DEC. So this means binary to decimal. This function converts a binary number to decimal number. Let's see how it works. We have this binary number 10100. Let's convert decimal into decimal reference, and our result is 20. So this function is helpful for engineers who get the result in binary and want to convert into decimal. I generally uses BIN2DEC, that is hexadecimal to decimal, for to see the results, or to when I'm doing C++ programming for Arduino. So bin to decimal converts a binary number to decimal number.